Right then folks, here we are, look, little Pinto powered little kit car. Really, really sweet. Just cranked up immediately. She's not running its best, will want carb setting up, but generally, really, really sweet actually. Look. I must admit, it is running a lot better now. It is clearing, it is getting better. So she might just want a quick run down the road just to blast a bit out and clear its throat a bit and get a bit of fuel through and a bit of air and whatnot. But lovely set of mini lights. Mud guards are all really, really nice. Obviously, I've just whipped the bonnet off just so I can show you the engine bay, which is Pinto. Really, really reliable engines. We run them in. Dad's got one in his Escort. That Escort up there had one in it. Really, really good engine. You can get some power out of them as well, to be fair. Car cover with this one. Lovely seats, look. Really, really nice seats. Good roll bar. I haven't seen the bit of the floor, if I'm honest with you. I haven't seen it, but anyway, you can see everything in there. Brake pipe's nice and neat, look. Yeah, really nice and neat. So there you go, obviously on a 63 plate. Nice little spats so that the tyres, when it's raining, don't flick up and cover you in water. Just little bits like that. Lovely exhaust. Really, really nice exhaust. Just a really, really nice old car, really. A couple of numbers on there that may be of interest. So there you go. We've got some pictures of the bonnet on, so you can see what it looks like with that on. But what a cheap bit of fun. Bit of track day in, bit of road going, bit of all sorts really, isn't it? Pinto, so it'll do a bit of everything. So there you go. Come down, have a closer look. Thank you.